Have you ever tasted a rich, flavorful bowl of Okazi soup thickened with Ofor? This traditional Nigerian delicacy is packed with delicious seafood, tender meat, aromatic spices, and nutritious vegetables. Today, I will show you step by step how to make this mouth-watering soup that pairs perfectly with fufu, pounded yam, eba, or semovita. Let's get cooking. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are all the ingredients we are using for this recipe. I've prepped all my ingredients ahead of time. Here we have our Okazi leaf, Uziza leaf, cow meat, stockfish head, and smoked Kpanla fish. Our Ofor for the thickener, crayfish, smoked mackerel fish and dry fish, Habanero Pepper, Periwinkle and prawn, and of course our red oil, salt and Knorr Cubes. At this point, the aroma in this place is absolutely delicious. To begin, I placed the cow meat, stockfish head and smoked Kpanla fish into a cooking pot. Then I added Knorr cubes, salt, habanero pepper and enough water to cook the meat. I stirred everything together, covered the pot and allowed it to cook until the meat became soft and tender. Once the meat was well cooked, I added more water and allowed it to boil. Next, I started adding the Ofor little by little. This step is very important. As you add the Ofor, stir immediately to prevent lumps from forming in the soup. After stirring in the first batch of Ofor, I added red oil and mixed everything well. Then I added a little more Ofor and stirred everything until the soup started thickening nicely. I added the periwinkle and prawns, added the smoked mackerel fish and dry fish. I gently stirred everything together, covered the pot and allowed it to cook for about 5 minutes. If you have watched this far, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot to me and it will make me create more delicious recipes for you. Thank you so much for your support. Now let's continue with the recipe. After 5 minutes, the soup had thickened beautifully to the consistency I wanted. I stirred the soup, tested it and adjusted the seasoning by adding a little more Knorr cube. Next, I added the Uziza leaves and mixed them into the soup. I noticed the soup had become slightly thicker than I preferred, so I added a little water to loosen it up. Then I added the crayfish and stirred well. Finally, I added the Okazi leaf and allowed the soup to cook for another 3 minutes. This gives vegetable enough time to soften while still retaining their flavor and nutrients. And just like that, our delicious Okazi soup with Ofor is ready. The aroma is absolutely amazing, and the combination of seafood, meat, spices, and vegetables makes this soup incredibly satisfying. One important tips you need to know is whenever you are cooking with Uziza leaves, be mindful of the quantity of pepper you use. Uziza naturally enhances the peppery taste of soup, so little pepper often goes a long way. I served it hot and enjoyed it with fufu. Trust me, it was absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my homemade Nigerian recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.